Algebra 2, Lesson 27, Rational Expressions. We'll be starting with the practice set, and we'll be doing A and B. Okay, so over here we have practice A. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the whole number 5 and write it over 1 as a fraction. From there, we're going to look for our common denominator. Our common denominator is going to be n plus 4 times n plus 2. And I'm going to write that over here just like this, m squared times m plus 4. Now, to add, we got to get our common denominator, so we'll multiply each term by what they're missing. The first one will just get multiplied by m squared. The second one needs to get multiplied by the whole denominator of m squared m plus 4. And the last one gets multiplied by just m plus 4. Now I'm going to go ahead and write my multiplication down here before I put it over the numerator up here. So when I multiply m squared by m plus 3, I get m cubed plus 3m squared. Here, when I multiply 5 times m squared m plus 4, I can go ahead and distribute this. That'll make it a little bit easier. So that's going to become 5 times m cubed plus 4m squared. And then 5 times that gives me plus 5m cubed plus 20m squared. And the last one, 2 times m, gives me positive 2m. 2 times 4 gives me positive 8. Now, before I write these over my numerator, I got to combine like terms. M cubed and 5m combine to become 6m cubed. 3m squared and 20m squared give me 23m squared. And let's see here. Yep, that's it. 2m and 8 are going to stay the same. And that's my final answer. Now, practice B. Our denominator here has a trinomial, so that should be factored. So we're going to go ahead and factor that one before we even start looking for the denominator. That's going to become z and z. Positive sign means the signs are the same, and plus means that they're both positives. From here, if I factor 4 into 4 and 1, those will add up to 5. So those are the terms I'm dealing with. So I rewrite that denominator, and then from here I can see these both have z plus 4. So my common denominator, which I'm going to write over here, is just going to be z, parentheses, z plus 4, parentheses, z plus 1. So from here I can see that this first term is just going to have to get multiplied by z over z. And the second term only needs to get multiplied by z plus 1. Okay, so when I multiply here, z times z plus 3 gives me z squared plus 3z. And then this one, I have to take this negative and bring it up here to the negative 1. So it's negative 1 times z plus 1. That gives me negative z minus 1. Alright, so from here I'm just going to combine like terms. These two combine to become positive 2z. So our final numerator is just going to be z squared plus 2z minus 1. And that is our final answer there. That's all there is.